Hi children, welcome back to Sai SS Academy. Today I am going to take class 6 geography, first chapter, the earth in the solar system. The earth in the solar system. Before that, I have to explain you what is geography. That means first time in the 6th class you are going to study about the geography. Before that EVS was there, no? So 6th class we are going to learn about the history, geography, social and political life. History, my first video, that chapter 1 is over. Now I am taking the geography chapter 1. What is geography? What is the definition of the geography? The study of the physical features of the earth and its atmosphere and of human activity, including distribution of a population, resources, political and economic activities. That means all these things comes under the geography. First, the physical features of the earth. Second, its atmosphere. The physical features of the earth and its atmosphere and the human activities affecting it. What are the things affecting? Distribution of population, resources, political and economic activities. All these things comes under geography. Okay children, we can start with our chapter Earth in the Solar System. Okay, it is very wonderful to watch the sky after sunset. If we are watching for a long time, we can see that shining things on the sky. And if you are sitting for a long time, we can see the number is increasing too, isn't it? And we cannot count them anymore. And the other thing is that if you look at them carefully, that we can notice that some of them do not twinkle as others do, but some are twinkling more. Like that we can see many things. It is very nice how the time is going. We can't know how the time is going, isn't it? Like that many things are there if we are watching on the sky. And the other thing, I will first we can go to the full moon. Full moon. What is full moon? Full moon means once in about a month's time, we can see a big moon on the sky. Isn't it? At that night, it is so bright. We don't want to put the light also outside area. That much brightness is there. And second, the new moon. What is new moon? New moon means we can't see a moon or a light on the sky. That means it is completely dark. On that day, it is fully dark. Okay, so full moon day it is fully bright and new moon day it is fully dark. Okay, so the third we are coming to the point, celestial bodies. What is a celestial body? Celestial body means the sun, the moon and all those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. Whatever things are there on the sky at the night and whatever things are shining, that all things together called as celestial bodies. Okay, so the definition we have to write like the sun, the moon and all those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. Next, stars. Stars, 3 points, very big and hot, made up of gas, their own light and heat. Once more, very big and hot, made up of gas, their own light and heat. So, what are stars? Stars means these are also celestial bodies and they are very big and hot and they are made up of gases and the important thing is that they have their own heat and light. For example, our sun. Good. So, what is the definition of the star? Some celestial bodies are very big and hot. They have their own heat and light and they are made up of gas. Example, sun. So, constellations. Various patterns formed by different group of stars is called constellations. If we are watching through this sky, we can see different patterns of stars in some areas in the sky, isn't it? So, like that, various patterns are formed by different group of stars. These are called constellations. And example is Ursa Major or Big Bear. Ursa Major and Big Bear are the constellations. That means different types of patterns. That is the name Ursa Major or Big Bear. And other thing is that one easily recognizable group was there. 7 stars are there in that group and it is very easy to recognize also and its name is Saptarshi. So, I told about Saptarshi, no? Saptarshi, group of 7 star forms a part of Ursa Major constellation. Saptarshi is a group of 7 star and it is very easy to recognizing also. Next, I am going to take Pole star. What's pole star? Okay, before that I have to say something. Saptarshi and North Star. Saptarshi and North Star. In ancient times, people used to determine directions during the night with the help of the stars. At that time, they don't know about the directions, anything. Just they are watching. If the Mariners are there, no, they are watching this pole star or the North Star and detecting the direction, whether the ship is going to the north or they lost the direction, like that. It was on the ancient times. Okay, so in ancient times people used to determine directions using this during the night time. During the night time they used this pole star for finding the direction. The North Star or the pole star indicates the north direction. This star always detects the northern direction. It is also called the pole star. So, you now understand what is the North Star or the pole star. Always this star should be on the northern direction. That is why we are calling it as a North Star or pole star. Other topic I said Saptarshi and the North Star. I told you that it is very easy to find out one constellation was there, Saptarshi. The Saptarshi is like this. Look, the pattern of the Saptarshi is like this. And look, it is like a sword and 7 stars are coming like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is the 7th star. The pattern of the star is like this. So, it is very easy to recognize the Saptarshi pattern. Saptarshi pattern. Look here, if we are looking, and before that I have to say about the directions. Always remember that the upper part of this any figure, if we are looking to the any figure, the topmost part comes as the north and below it should be south, and the right hand side should be the east and left hand side should be west. Got it? The pole star, it always remains in the same position in the sky. We can locate the position of the pole star with the help of the Saptarshi. We can locate the position of the North Star with the help of the Saptarshi. This star is coming, 7 stars, and standing here and looking to the northern side, we can see the north direction, how the last 2 stars are there, no, Saptarshi. Through that we can see a big star on the northern side, and that is the pole star. Okay, one thing you have to remember is that a pole star should always remain on the northern side. So, it is very easy to determine the northern direction. And I told you about the directions. Always, if you are taking a figure, the topmost part should always be the northern, down it will be southern, right it will be east, and left hand side it should be west. I think you got all these points. Next, planets. What are planets? Are celestial bodies, do not have their own heat and light, lit by the light of stars. Okay, I will explain. Planets are also the celestial bodies, but they don't have their own heat and light. And where from they get light? They get light from the stars. Example, our Earth. Our Earth is a planet and we are getting light from the sun now. Yes, like that. The planets are the celestial bodies, do not have their own light and heat, and they are getting light from the stars. Example, Earth. And one thing I have to say is that planet is a Greek word. Planet is a Greek planet derived from the Greek word planetai. Planetai. Planet from Greek word planetai. And what is the meaning of the planetai? Planetai means wanderers. Wanderers means what is that? Going here and there, like that. Like that means next class I will take the topic solar system. Then you can understand more what about the meaning of the wanderer. So this all the planets are revolving and rotating around the sun. No, that's they are here and there. They are going always. That is why the meaning word wanderer came there. Okay, so these topics I am took today, and I think by the next class I will take the remaining topic. The topic starts with the solar system. Till then, bye children. I hope all of you understand the lesson. If any doubt arises, please inform me through the comment. And one more thing I have to say is that please subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.